Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A CloudFoundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
That the original one will be always there, which is the implementation team mode that created it. If you are tinkering the old one, we will never have a backup. That is the thing. Even the original one will be also always placed in the customer's location. That is the customer's drive. We can create a copy of it and we can keep it in our location, our company location. That whatever the changes which we are making, we can able to create a new version and update it. For my few of my customer, what we used to do, we follow this ticketing tool, that is Jira. We have a Confluence document. In the Confluence, we have created certain folders on a monthly basis. Whatever the tickets which we are working on, we are doing some configuration changes. We need to update. This standard template will be there. We need to update in that template and we need to upload that template document on that monthly folder. In the future, if any changes has happened, they can refer those conference document also. This is the process which the company follows, and this is the way how we can able to go and analyze the what you call the RVP setup for any employee. When you get a ticket that both are admins, both are in different countries, but one employee, one admin can access the employee related data, but another admin is unable to access some section. What is the reason behind it? For that, we can go and start our analyzing with the help of a view user permission. Are the user roles such permission? These are the two methods. Including these methods, we have total 5 configuration tools. The 5 configuration tools out of that: managed permission role-based access, managed permission group, managed permission role view, user permission, and user roles for the user. Set user. All these things are coming on the set user permission. Suppose you are an admin and now in the future, to support your team, they have added a new member. Those members also should be having the equal permission with you are having. If you are SDM or if you are service delivery manager, if they will tell to you, that is provide them also the equal permission. You should know how and where. You should add that member that when they will go into the admin center under set user permission, they should have all the 4 tools. This should be reflecting there. And other thing, when we go to that permission, there is a checkbox called RB2. What is that? We can ignore it because we have that option, that is we are not using. In fact, SAP came up with that option. Let me go. I think if you are referring something to select a group permission role, I think yes, permission role, permission. Because in the new release, in the previous to previous new release, this option has came. I think you have an option here RVP. You can see only indicate that there is only accessible for the RVP administrators. If you are selecting this checkbox, then it is only accessible by the RVP administrators. RVP administrators means the super rediments. If you have something that is a super rediment, this is also super rediment only can make changes for these steps. This also. The super rediment can only make the changes, but other than that the other. That means they can also go and see the RVP setups, right? But they cannot. But if they click on that particular role, they cannot able to open it. Because of them, it will be to these ones. Because they are not the super rediment. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.